Hey, you welcome guys to this another video of finding drawn liquidity. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about how you can find the liquidity pools and when not to trade and when you can trade. So basically for the price movement, price does only four things. Either it generates liquidity, earns liquidity, rebalance to inefficiency slash fair value gap, or rebalance equilibrium of the range. So if I jump into the chart, you will see as we does only four things. We generate liquidity, we hunt all of the liquidity, generating liquidity, we rebalance to the inefficiencies like fair value gaps, as you can see, there was fair value gap, and we rebalance to equilibrium of the range, which means our premium and discount of the range. Let me. This will be our equilibrium of the range. So basically, what is a generating liquidity? So generating liquidity or engineering liquidity, both are same, but for the price, if as I have said on my previous video, if price wants to go lower, it will manipulate higher. Why? It will generate liquidity to sweep out uh, liquidity after manipulation. Manipulation is just a fake move, or you can say just a Judas swing or high. Judas swing high or low. So if we want to go lower, we will manipulate higher, and if we want to go higher, we will manipulate lower. So in this case, uh, I will zoom into like 4 hour, and you can see we have a rapid fall of 3,000 points. And what we can expect? Either we can expect a higher push lower, rapid push lower, but in this case, we are having this inefficiency, daily inefficiency. So on the range from this swing high to this swing low, or this swing low, you can take where we are on the discounted area. So this is our premium and this is our discount. So basically on our discount area, what we are having an inefficiency where price filled it, it rebalanced inefficiency and it started generating liquidity. So this push upward is just generating liquidity. If I zoom into 4 hour, see the way we are continuously moving upward, we are moving slowly. As you can see, we are not having any rebalance. So this rebalance is just a manipulation for me. We have, if we want to go lower at this rebalance, what we need to see, we need to see a close below this swing low. We haven't done that. We just making a trend line of low resistance liquidity. This is all our generating liquidity as we are moving slowly towards the buy side. So at this point, we are having this buy side liquidity with a fair value gap intact. So this will be my level where I want to see a rejection lower. So if I am bullish, I want to see that price either hold this fair value gap or either this fair value gap to push ourselves to this highs. So what price did? It just rapidly fallen down and just inverts this all of these candles. So it proves that this buyers in the current market, the buyers are out from the market and the sellers take over it. At this point, I am expecting that price have shifted its structure and we are now heading towards the sell side of the liquidity. So if you will see, we will in the case of generating liquidity, we will move slower. We'll move slowly towards the actual range or the premium of the range, or suppose you can say discount of the range. Then for the sweeping of the generating liquidity, we will continue to move very fast, very fast. Like you can see for this, from this low to this high, we have taken 15 days, but from this high to this low, we have taken only 5 days. This means we will move a bit, not a bit, but slower to generate liquidity, and to hunt liquidity, we will be moving very fast. So if you can see, this is on the 4 hour time frame. So if I zoom into 15 minutes, you will see the same and exact thing which I'm explaining on 4 hour. You can see, yeah, what we did on this situation, on this price range, we were moving very slowly towards the inefficiency, towards the inverse fair value gap of 4 hour. And you can see this is our generating liquidity. What price does? Price did sweeping of this liquidity. We're still generating liquidity. So these are our all our liquidity. So basically in 27th of March, we were having seek and destroy profile. So what we did, we were creating liquidity pools right here. We have AM session taking this liquidity out, even this liquidity out. So both of these sessions containing a higher amount of liquidity, we just ran lower to push higher. So now this is 15-minute time frame. Let me zoom into 1 minute. You will see exact generating liquidity, filling imbalances, and uh, sweeping liquidity pools into 1 minute. Yeah, you can see we are moving. This was on 28th of March. We were slowly moving towards the, you can say we are slowly moving to the premium of the range. We are having 15-minute fair value gap right here somewhere. Let me. So as you can see, we are on this 15-minute fair value gap. What we did on Asian session, we have generated liquidity both side. We are having our buy side as well as our sell side. So if we want to go lower, we will be sweeping buy side or we will manipulate buy side. We just manipulated buy side. We rapidly then fallen off. Then what we did after London close, we were slowly moving towards the premium of this, or you can say we are rebalancing to the equilibrium of the range. You can see this. We have just rebalanced to this inefficiency and as well as to this equilibrium of the range. And if I just see this, slowly we have moved towards this inefficiency. We have generated liquidity, and if I zoom into 5 minutes, you will see the way we have moved with these small candles. These are all our generated liquidity. In this case, you will see 9:30 opens at here. What we did after 9:30, we just sweep this liquidity pools from of this sell side. This will be my sell side and this will be my sell side. What we did, we just swept all the sell side before 9:30. So what we will be going to do is we will move to manipulate again. We just manipulated and we just fell off on 9:30. What we did, we went to this 15-minute fair value gap with our fair value gap, a bullish fair value gap, and on 925 we just inverse this fair value gap. So this means we are having more pressure of sellers compared to buyers. So buyers are absent in this range. What we did, we have generated all these liquidity pools. Now 930 days is 930 did rapid sell off and sweep this low. What we'll be doing now is price haven't closed down below. Now I am expecting that price to go again to the equilibrium of the range. Now if I zoom into 1 minute, you will see clarity. You can see we are having this fair value gap on 5 minute. We just went to the 50% or the equilibrium of the range. We have generated liquidity. We are having no fair value gaps right here on this trend. So the way we are moving with no fair value gaps, it means that we are generating liquidity to continue lower. So we are manipulating upward. So this will be my manipulation. These two candles will be my manipulation. And after the manipulation, what I want is a fair value gap with a change in state of delivery or a market structure shift. What price did next? Price created these two inefficiencies, and now on the macros we just fell off. We are having, you can see, we are having these two lows as our magnetic area for the drawn liquidity pools. So what I'm going to target, either I can target 50 or I will target this 50 points, or I will target 300 points for these two lows. We have even done SMT somewhere right here, and we just rapidly fell off. So this is how you can find like drawn liquidity. So basically drawn liquidity is where you will be looking for the price to move be after creating liquidity. So price will always generate liquidity and hunt them. So in the process of generating liquidity, it will go very slow with less fair value gaps, small fair value gaps, or even no fair value gaps. After this generating liquidity, we will see a massive or aggressive fall to sweep those buy side or sell side of the liquidity which market price have created before it. So when we will be expecting when price will be sweeping this generating liquidity, basically on 830 manipulation, either 930 manipulation, either 10 manipulation, or after 10 continuation. So these are the timing where we can expect that aggressive move and aggressive sweeping of buy side or sell side. So hope you learned something from this video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you are new, then please hit a like and subscribe. And also check out our Discord server. And we are providing a code from Vedic Craft, which is code Vedic, and you can apply it on Apex Trader funding for amazing offers. And currently we are having 80% off on our code. Thanks for watching.